Jordan Brand continues to keep things fresh even after summer, dropping bold colorways that echo the season's energy. The Air Jordan 1 Low Watermelon showcases a playful mix of rind green and pink, accented with fur and malachite tones that split the upper and lower leather base. Subtle yet striking, pink blast highlights the branding details, adding flair without overpowering the look. Designers finish it off with a clean off-white sole, grounding the vibrant design for everyday wear. This GR release doesn't have an official drop date yet, but fans can expect it to join the long line of summer-inspired Jordan 1 Lows. With its refreshing palette and iconic silhouette, the watermelon balances fun and refinement, ensuring sneakerheads will be watching closely for its release. Summer may have ended, but this pair keeps the heat alive.